What's up everyone, Stephen Shaw here, and today we're going to be installing the Google Nest doorbell. So first off, I've already started. I'm just in the process of trying to get a power source from the doorbell, I guess. I don't know. Let's figure this out together. So the instructions, they say, see if we can get this to work. Let's look at one more thing. I gotta locate the transformer. It might be in the wall, I'm not sure. So we're gonna find it. Okay, if you see wires leading out of your chime, you may be able to follow them to your transformer. Look around the fuse box, an electrical enclosure. Is that it? Well, I think I found it. I think I found it in the fuse panel. I think that's it right there. Those are the same color wires as it is going to my doorbell. I'm not sure why we need to locate the transformer, but I guess we're gonna find out. Let's see what it says. Let's locate one more thing. Yes, we found it. Now this one's a biggie. What voltage and power rating are printed or stamped on your transformer? Oh God. We got three options. Less than 16 volt, 16 volt to 24 volt, more than 24 volt. Well, let's go have a look. Let's see if we can see anything stamped on this sucker. Maybe you can help me. Can you tell me what that says? 10 volt. So I guess it's gonna be less than 16 volt. Boom. Continue. You've got options. Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good. I'd rather do a little DIY. If your house doesn't have doorbell wires, use the indoor power adapter. Learn more. Oh yeah, now I gotta buy a freaking power adapter. Oh my God. This might cut this real short. So we're just going to install it anyways. So apparently the Nest doorbell, Nest Hello, requires 16 volts. So if your current doorbell system does not supply at least 16 volts, you're gonna have problems. Mine says it has 10 volts. I put my jacket on so she thinks I'm going somewhere. Anyway, mine says it has 10 volts on the transformer, but I put a multimeter on it and it's around 13 volts. I'm just gonna hook up the doorbell anyways and see what happens. And if it doesn't work, I'll have to get a transformer or figure something out. But you know, I already got it and I might as well install it. Let's get started. Uh-oh. It's okay, Olivia. The old screw got broke in there. Hey, how are you? Oh, pretty good. No, I was just installing a new doorbell. Man, let's see if I can pull those wires out a bit more. This is brutal. There we go. Making my life way easier. Ooh, it's making noises. We got a blue light. That's good. Here we go. Finishing. This may take a while. Having trouble communicating. Alright, so it was doing some funky things. Well, I was trying to install it. So I'm going to install this thing, see what happens here. Let me ask you something. How do dogs learn that a doorbell means someone is at the door. All right, let's give that a try. Okay, that seemed to have solved the problem. So that thing is important. Whatever that thing does, let's try the doorbell, see what happens. Well, so the internet lied, and this is important. So I'm going to put all these wires back in here. No, I'm just kidding. Jeez. I'm just kidding. Okay, so maybe these ones will fit over here. Yeah, I can just put this thing right here. Look at that. Bip, bip. Look at that. So in conclusion, even though the original doorbell was only 10 volt and it actually read around 13 volt, it's working with the door no problem. Google says it needs at least 16 volt. It's not giving me the orange ring around the doorbell, and it's working just fine. I've tested it a few different times now. I would suggest just turning off the factory chime. There's a setting in an app that will allow you to turn off the factory doorbell and just use notifications on your phone. Or if you have Google Assistant, the Google Mini, or any other Google Home devices, it will notify you on those as well. So yeah, that's great. It turned out pretty good. I was afraid I was gonna have to do some major modifications here, but I didn't, and that is great. So here's the Nest app. You can see the doorbell there. And then if I ring it, if I go ring the doorbell, you'll see a notification pop up at the top.
Someone's at the side door.
And you also heard Google Assistant telling me. So then you can just go down, click on the notification, and it brings it up. Brings it up full screen if you zoom mode. Oh, it's not letting me. Oh, okay, look at that. You can just scroll around here and get the whole picture. And you can talk to them, talk to the people outside, or you can just put a response and it will say this. You can leave it, we'll be right with you. We can't answer the door, so if we click on that, the doorbell outside will actually say it.
Just a sec. We'll be right there.
Bada bing, bada boom. So there you have it, folks. Another successful install by your boy. Yeah, this is sweet. I look forward to, I've been wanting to get one of these cameras for a while, and a girlfriend wanted to make sure nobody was stealing her packages. So it worked out, because then she paid half, I paid half, you know, kind of makes the $300 bill for the bell a little better. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing. And I hope your doorbell install goes as good and easy as mine did. Thanks so much for watching, guys. A little side note here, I forgot to hit the record button as I was going through the setup, but that's pretty straightforward. If you buy the Mini, that's pretty easy. You can figure that out, okay? It's good, it's good. All right, take care, peace.